Trim. Trim a clip to make it shorter or longer in the timeline. Like most nonlinear editing apps, Final Cut Pro includes multiple tools and edit techniques to trim clips. One of the most common trim types is a ripple edit. Trim the start or end of a clip, and other clips are pushed during a ripple trim edit. Although this ripple edit is impacting clips around it, we are only trimming this one clip's start or end point. Activate the trim tool to trim two clips at once using a roll edit, which adjusts the start point and the end point of two adjacent clips simultaneously. Perform the roll by selecting an edit point and dragging it left or right. As we roll this edit point, the viewer displays the last frame of the clip on the left. Hold Option to see the first frame of the clip on the right. To see both frames at the same time, open the Final Cut Pro editing preferences and enable the detailed trimming feedback. Watch as I trim these clips using a roll edit. We can see in the viewer both the last frame of the clip on the left and the first frame of the clip on the right. Another feature that can help trim clips is the Precision Editor, which displays additional visual feedback in the timeline. Double-click an edit point to expand into the Precision Editor and trim adjacent clips using a slide edit. So, when someone asks you to trim the end of that clip, they are likely asking you to shorten the end of that clip. However, I encourage you to practice trimming clips using different trim types and with the detailed trimming feedback enabled. When you're comfortable, open the Precision Editor and continue practicing. If you are worried about messing up a current project, click Edit, Snapshot Project to create a backup you can return to later. The copy of the project with the current date and time added to the name is available in the browser.